A lovely good afternoon to a lovely kids of class 2nd. How are you all? Hope so you all are fine at home and studying at home also. So many homework I have given you. So I hope you have done your homework. Isn't it? Have you done your homework? Have you completed your homework? Yes. So those who have completed your homework, done your homework, very good. I will clap for those students, but those students who have not done, as usual, I always tell you that complete your work, do your homework on time. Okay? So let's start today's work. So today we are going to start problem based on real life situation, that is word problem. So first of all of you open your notebooks and your books also fast, and you have to open page number 52 in your maths textbook. Page number 52, we are going to write today's self-practice. Self-practice 4E. Okay? So this is given on page number 52. Page number 52. Okay? So first I am going to read one word problem and solving one word problem on the board. So you copy from the board. So the first word problem, I hope you have opened your book. सभी ने अपनी बुक ओपन की है. So I am reading the word problem. There were 333 men. कितने men हैं total? 333. And 243 women. और कितने women हैं? 243 women and 333 men. Working in an office. एक ऑफिस है, उसमें टोटल मैन और वुमेन कितने काम करते हैं वो आपको गिवन है. How many people were working in the office in all? तो ऑफिस में टोटल कितने people वर्क करते हैं, कितने लोग वर्क करते हैं वो आपको फाइंड करना है. So very simple. It is a word problem of addition. So first we will write the question. So start writing with me. Write 1. There, THERE. There were 333 men and 243 women working in an office. Working in an office. How many people? How many people? PEOPLE. How many people were working in the office in all. In the office in all. So write solution. SOLUTION. Okay. So write men. How many men are there? So write H, T and O. How many men are there? 333. 333. Now women. How many women are there? Women are 243. So what you have to find? We have to find total. Very good. 6. 3 plus 4, 7. And 3 plus 2 is 5. So 576 total people are working in the office. Copy first. Write fast. Okay, so those who have not completed, you can pause video and complete your work. So now I am explaining you the next word problem. So look into your book. Read the first, second word problem. Rahul counted 129 buttons in one box. राहुल ने एक बॉक्स में कितने बटन काउंट किए? 129. And 240 buttons in other box. और दूसरे बॉक्स में उसने कितने buttons काउंट किए? 240. How many buttons in all did Rahul count? राहुल ने टोटल कितने buttons काउंट किए? दोनों को क्या करेंगे? ऐड कर देंगे. ठीक है? So write the question. 2. Rahul counted 129 buttons in one box. In one box and 240 buttons. 240 buttons in the other box. In the other box. Full stop. How many? How many? How many buttons? B-U-T-T-O-N-S. How many buttons in all Rahul place digit. So 9 plus 0 is 9. Tens place digit, 2 plus 4 is 6. Then 100 place digit, 1 plus 2 is 3. So Rahul counted total buttons 369. Write fast. Write fast. Okay, those who have not completed, आप वीडियो पॉज करके लिख सकते हैं. So I am rubbing the board and writing the third word problem. So first I am reading it. Tina bought a book for rupees 105. टीना ने एक बुक खरीदी और उस बुक का कॉस्ट था 105 and stationery for rupees 323. और उसने स्टेशनरीज खरीदी 323 रुपीस की. How much did she pay to the shopkeeper? तो उसने शॉपकीपर्स को कितने पैसे दिए टोटल, वो आपको लिखना है. तो let's start writing the next question. Okay, so start writing. Third is Tina bought a book for rupees Tina bought a book for rupees 105. For rupees 105 and stationery STATIONERY and stationery for rupees 323. Full stop. How much did she pay to the shopkeeper? Pay to the shopkeeper. So write the solution. 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 Okay. So first, what did she buy? She bought a book. So write book is equals to alright, cost of book or simple write book is equals to H T and O rupees 105. Then stationery STATIONERY Now the last question I am reading. So पहले आप last question समझ ले, fourth because fifth question will be homework for you. आपको fifth question homework है, fourth question मैं अभी समझा रही हूँ और यहाँ पर लिख रही हूँ. So you first see what is the fourth question. An ice cream parlor has 125 orange ice lollies. Ice lollies total जो ice candy होती है ना, orange candy, वो कितनी है? 125. And 373 cola ice lollies. Now, how many ice lollies are there in total? So total कितनी आइसक्रीम है, कितनी कैंडीज है, ऑरेंज और कोका कोला को मिला के आपको फाइंड करना है. ओके, so start writing. First write the question. An ice cream parlor has 125 orange ice lollies and 373 cola ice lollies. Lollies means candy, ice candy. In its stock. How many ice lollies are there in total? Total कितनी है ये आपको फाइंड करना है. ओके, सो स्टार्ट राइटिंग इट. Solution. So first is orange ice lollies. How many orange ice lollies are there? Oranges is 125. Now write cola ice lollies. So how many cola ice lollies are there? 373. Okay. Now what you have to find? You have to find total lollies. So total lollies. So how many total? Add it. 5 plus 3 is 8. 7 plus 2 is 9 and 3 plus 1 is 4. So 498 total ice lollies are there in stock. Write fast. And the last word problem, that is the fifth word problem, that will be homework for you. मैं अभी आपको समझा दूंगी. I will explain it. First you copy from the board, complete your work. वेरी सिंपल वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स, बस आपको समझ में आना चाहिए. ओके, एंड हाउ टू राइट द स्टेटमेंट, दैट ऑल्सो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड. Okay, so you can pause video and complete your work. Okay students, now I am explaining you last word problem. आप बुक में देखेंगे सभी. Look into your book. The last word problem, fifth. There were 723 mathematics and 216 English books in a library. एक लाइब्रेरी है, इसमें टोटल मैथमेटिक्स की बुक्स और इंग्लिश की बुक्स कितनी हैं वो गिवन है. सो हाउ मेनी बुक्स इन ऑल वर देयर इन द लाइब्रेरी. लाइब्रेरी में टोटल कितनी बुक्स है वो आपको काउंट करना है. सो सिंपल है, राइट मैथमेटिक्स बुक्स इज इक्वल्स टू जितनी दी हुई है आपको लिखना है. देन द नेक्स्ट लाइन यू हैव टू राइट इंग्लिश बुक्स इज इक्वल्स टू टोटल इंग्लिश बुक्स कितनी है आपको लिखना है. एंड एट लास्ट यू हैव टू राइट टोटल बुक्स एंड दोनों को ऐड करके आपको आंसर लिखना है. सो आई होप यू विल डू इट वर्ड प्रॉब्लम योरसेल्फ in your notebook. So last word problem is homework. So to complete your work, have a nice day.